Now we will create another part of the solid. As I mentioned earlier, when it comes to 3D modeling in FreeCAD, we can create 3D models in stages. We can build the model step by step and gradually add more segments of the solid. And as here, the first operation we performed was the operation that created this solid based on a sketch. Then we added fillets, and subsequently we created holes in the solid based on the sketch. When it comes to the extrusion operation based on a sketch, we can also use this operation in the next stage of building the 3D solid. We can create another sketch based on which we will create another segment of the solid. In this case, we will create another sketch on this face. Select this face and choose the Create Sketch command to create a sketch on this face. And here we will draw a circle whose center will be at this point. That is, we hover over this point. Once this point is highlighted, we click the left mouse button and enter 55 millimeters as the diameter of the circle, and then press enter. Now we have this circle and the sketch is fully constrained. We close the sketch, and if you want to create another segment of the solid based on this sketch, we select the pad operation. This solid will be created in such a way that it will be created by extruding the area defined by the geometry of the sketch. Here in this case, if we wanted to create the extrusion such that the solid is created based on the area defined between this circle and that circle, we simply need to draw another circle in the sketch. Let's go to edit the sketch. And now we will create a second circle. Choose to draw a circle. Place the center of the circle at this point. When it comes to the diameter of the circle, we can either enter a specific diameter value here, or we can constrain this circle to that hole. To do this, we start by drawing a circle with any diameter. We right-click to cancel the circle drawing command. And now we need reference geometry to which we will constrain this circle. To create such reference geometry, we choose the Create External Geometry command. We click on this edge, and based on this edge, we created the reference geometry. We right-click to cancel this command, and now we select this circle, select this reference geometry, and choose the equality constraint. This constraint made it so that this circle was constrained to the edge of the hole. Now we close the sketch, and based on this sketch we can add the extrusion. We select the pad operation, and here we specify the length of the extrusion. As for this value, we can change it by clicking on the arrows or hovering the cursor over this field and scrolling the mouse wheel, or simply entering a specific value from the keyboard. Let's enter 30 millimeters here and click OK. This way, we created another segment of this solid. Even though we built this solid in stages, it is one single solid. If I now click here with the left mouse button on this body, the entire solid will be highlighted. And this is how we create 3D models step by step in FreeCAD. By using simple shapes and basic operations, we can build a fairly complex 3D model.